Animals and Nature. The Secret Cave of Crystals. Deep within a secret cave, hidden by lush vegetation, lay an extraordinary discovery, a treasure trove of crystals. This was no ordinary cave. It was filled with glistening, colorful crystals that shimmered like nothing the forest animals had ever seen. The animals, led by the brave little squirrel, Squeaky, embarked on a thrilling adventure to uncover this mystery. The first light of dawn peeked through the trees as the animals prepared for their journey. Squeaky, the leader, consulted with her friends, Rufus the raccoon, Oliver the owl, Daisy the deer, and Felix the fox. Each animal had unique abilities to contribute. Rufus could climb trees quickly. Oliver had keen eyesight for scouting ahead. Daisy was swift and agile on her hooves. And Felix, though shy, was a skilled digger. As the sun rose higher, the animals ventured deeper into the forest. They followed a narrow path filled with moss and fallen leaves. Soon they arrived at the mouth of the secret cave, which seemed to hide itself among the tree trunks. Squeaky led her friends inside, taking care not to disturb the darkness. The air in the cave was damp and musty. The animals moved slowly, taking care not to step on anything slippery. Rufus scampered ahead, using his sensitive paws to feel for obstacles in their path. Oliver kept watch overhead, his keen eyes peering through the shadows. Finally, they found themselves in an open space, illuminated by the ethereal glow of countless crystals scattered around them. Each crystal shone with a different color and sent out beams of light that danced across the cavern walls. The animals were awestruck. The animals circled around the crystals, taking in their mesmerizing beauty. Daisy, with her keen intuition, realized that these crystals were more than just pretty stones. They seemed to pulse with energy and vibrate softly beneath their touch. The animals knew they had discovered something extraordinary and wanted to learn more about these crystals. They worked together to gather small samples from each crystal without damaging their delicate forms. Squeaky, Rufus, Oliver, Daisy, and Felix carefully placed the samples into a small pouch they had brought with them. With the precious samples in tow, the animals retraced their steps back through the cave and out into the sunlight. They had accomplished their goal, but they were left with many questions about these crystals and their power. Once back at their respective homes, the animals shared their incredible discovery with their families and friends. Word quickly spread throughout the forest, and soon other animals came to see the crystals for themselves. Their curiosity was contagious, and everyone wanted to learn more about these mysterious treasures. Inspired by their discovery, the animals gathered together in the town square. Squeaky stood on a large rock and shared what they had learned about the crystals. They decided that it was time to take their investigation to the next level and study these crystals more closely. As the sun set over the horizon, the animals embarked on another daring quest. They ventured deeper into the forest, following clues left by the crystals themselves. Their mission was to discover the origin of these extraordinary stones and uncover their true power before anyone else did. As the days passed, the animals learned more and more about the crystals. They discovered that these stones held immense power, not just aesthetic beauty. The animals were determined to protect their forest and its inhabitants from any harm that might come from this newfound knowledge. And so, they continued their journey, guided by the light of the crystals and the strength of their unity.